Hello friends, this is Swapnil. This is my Faucet Pay account. I'm just few of moments ago I converted my Bitcoin to Digibyte account, and how I am done that in Faucet Pay account, that is just going to here in trade section and just click on that coin swap, and you can see here the transaction is Bitcoin to Digibyte and total amount received is 57 Digibyte here. So you just need to click here the convert from and convert to. So like that Bitcoin, if you have a balance on Bitcoin, you just need to choose any of currency. So if you want to convert on Tron, just click on Tron, set a max amount and just click on that max exchange. And well, after that you just need to come here again, user dashboard, and well, I'm showing you here how I withdraw this amount into my Binance crypto address. So well, this is how I just doing that. We need to come here the first to take the address. Here is the profile. We need to go wallet section, come here and fiat and spot, click on fiat and spot. Just because of we need to crypto address of DGB, because we want to withdraw DGB from this Faucet Pay account to our Binance account, so we need to DGB crypto address. So just search here, you can see here, this is the search coin, here the DGB, and here are the DGB, that is the Digibyte coin. Just click on that deposit section, deposit button. You see here, this is the coin, this is the network. Click on the get address. After that you can see here expected unlock 50 network confirmation, expected arrival 10 network confirmation, minimum deposit is 0 point multiple zeros and last one here available. You can count on that by pausing the video. And this says send only DGB to this deposit address, ensure the network is Digibyte. So well, we just need to click on that copy and come here into our Faucet Pay account. Here just click on that withdraw, and see, we just need to click here the Digibyte, our choose of the payment method here, and our withdraw address need to fill up. Don't find your address, just link it here. See guys, you just need to click here the withdraw button on that Faucet Pay and choose your coin. In my case, I need to withdraw my DGB, that the Digibyte coin. Here are not available the withdraw address, so I just need to click here the link sorry, and you just need to paste here your address, which I copy by this Binance wallet. So this is my DGB crypto address. So whatever your address, you just need to copy and paste here. Your exchange is maybe another exchange or different exchange, but don't worry about that. You just need to fill up your crypto address here and just label it here like Digibyte, and choose your correct here the coin and just link out here, and see, your address has been linked successfully. So after that you just need to again click here, come here, click on that Digibyte, the all, you can see here, and well, that's it. Choose your withdraw method here, the place withdraw method here are available, and here too. So here they show like Digibyte. More fees if you want to early in quickly withdraw. Just place withdraw here. I don't want to quickly withdraw my account, so I'm clicking here like place withdraw. And they say us, due to Bitcoin network congestion, we are forced to increase the withdrawal temporarily. We recommend to use other blockchains as a medium of transfer. So well, I'm clicking here to withdraw my account. It will come like 56.5 digibytes into my this account. Currently I don't have a balance. I will show you here, but it will arrive in 4 hours. So we just need to place here the withdraw button. So I click on here, and I think we have successfully recorded your withdraw request. It will be processed within the next 12 hours or less. So well guys, I think we are done here. This is the pending admin approval, that kind of the message are appear here, and we are already done here. So I'm in this video I'm showing you, I think, how we can convert how we can withdraw Faucet Pay cryptocurrency into Binance or anywhere using the crypto address. And this is how I withdraw that amount. As a beginner, I'm working here in my spare time. So if you want to make extra cryptocurrency online or make money online, then you can join me. In description box I give you a website like that name where I working personally. Here I working, just visit ads and like that. PTC ads, here are the another website where I already personally working, and that's how I got the money. Here you can see here, this is my payment, and I think there is no history. Currently history not showing us, but well, I'm using kind of the websites where I already get paid by that website. As you can see here, this is the history. I already get paid by this website. It's a genuine website. And similarly, I'm using that Honeygun application which is runs in my background, and it will also give me a good sufficient amount of money. Up to now I am not here to get paid by them, but in soon early I will get paid by this Honeygun application which is runs in background, and they give me a worth of $20 Bitcoin once I reach that $20. So it is definitely not interrupted me. As you can see here, I already showing you how I converted and how I withdrawing that video, and at the same time this application runs in background and it generates money for me. So if you want to make extra cryptocurrency or real money online, then you can just choose this application to make extra money online. Of course, definitely it is not worth to make extra money online, but always something is better than nothing, and that thought I just use in my sometimes of life. So I use that application. This application I can show you a little bit interface, how it's working and like that, and how much it is giving me up to now. See, you just need to click here, register, and see, this is the download devices like Windows, Android, Mac OS, iOS, Linux. You can download anywhere. So after that, you just need to run in background that application, which is by default it's run in background. But just come here daily, and in 1 second just earn a honey jar winning like this. You can see here your honey jar winning is 10, sometime 10, sometime they give us me 20, 10, sometime they give me a 50 honey jar winning. and here are the, I think, see, sometimes they give me Honeyjar credits 200. Income from referral is not worth it, but well, the friends, like one or two my friends, I told them, so they just using my referral link, and that's why they just, you see here, this is the two referrals are here, but it is not like the worth it, but okay, it's fine. So if you have any friends, you can give them your referral link, then they will be got a $5 bonus, and you got a little bit credits like you see already here, which is not like the 2 pennies. 2 credits means 2 pennies, 13 credits means 1 cent. So daily I got 5 cents, 1 cent to up to 20 cents, you can see here, up to now, since I was joining, and currently my balance shows like $18.68. And well, of course I am one of them, uh, like using this application by referral link, and that's why my balance shows like this, and my minimum payout is only $20, which is definitely after 10 to 15 days or max to max 18 days it will be completed here, and then I will be withdraw, and definitely I will make that another video on that too. For now I can say, if you have any query about that withdraw section, let me know. Once withdraw complete or successful in my Binance, I will show my Binance account by making the video here. For now I can say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Bye bye and take care. And yeah, one more thing, the site like this I'm using in my spare time, so don't expect uh, to early reach like that. I'm just earning extra amount, so we can't reach using such a kind of the sites, but definitely cryptocurrency earning in a spare time, it's the best idea always, rather than earning a dollar currency. At least for me, it's my personal opinion. For because if you are save here in current like 2020, a few of collected current cryptocurrency, and it will be rise definitely in time in future. Well, bye bye, take care, see ya. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and check out my description where I give you a link of that Faucet Pay and Honeygain application too, where I working. If you want to join, then join me. Bye bye, take care.